Step 1 of our premium package, the CRB. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to loosen up and get all the dog dander and hair off the carpet. Let's take a look. Let's move this cord here. Okay, trying to hold the camera here. Let's see. Now you see that? I want to just show you. This is why you want a CRB before you vacuum. See how it lifts up all the little pet hairs and put them in a nice little yarn ball? But it really fluffs up the carpet before you vacuum. Before you vacuum. And then when you come back and vacuum, you can get all the little fuzzies and dog hairs up. All right, I'll see you in step 2. Okay, the second step is pre-vacuuming. Now, this is a cordless vacuum cleaner with a LCD light on the front of it, multiple speed, and this really works. This is step 2. Look at that. So we use the CRB first, so we can really bring everything up to the surface. And then we take our cordless vacuum cleaner and we vacuum everything up. Okay, see you in step 3. Okay, step 3. We're pre-spraying now. And I can't advertise enough or tell you guys about the steam action sprayer here. This is the best. I've had them all. I've had the Hydro Force, the multi-sprayer, all of them. This right here is put together for the professional carpet cleaner. Let's see how it works here. And now remember, I'm holding this camera, so you guys gotta bear with me. But this is step 3. After we vacuum, we're going to pre-spray. All right, we're not going to make this long and drawn out. You guys know how to pre-spray. But that's what we're doing here. And this is the next step. All right, see you in step 4. Okay, step 4. Now, here we go with again with the CRB. This is why this is a must-have machine if you're trying to be a professional carpet cleaner. Now, the first time we used it in step 1, we were trying to bring up all the ground-in soil, pet dander, and all that. Now, we're going to use it to agitate the pre-spray in. Look at that. Look at that. Just agitating the pre-spray right on in. Nice and even. All right. You definitely want to understand why you need a CRB, which is a cross-rotating brush machine. I'm probably saying it wrong, but cross-rotating brushes. That's not probably the C, the cross is wrong, because they're not crossing into each other. Well, they are crossing into each other, and they're rotating. So now we're agitating the pre-spray in. See you in step 5. Okay, step 5. steam extraction. Now, the carpet, as you see, is coming out very nice because of all the steps we took. Now, step 5, which normally you guys do as step 1. We're not going to spend a lot of time on this because you guys already know how to use the wand. Or maybe you don't. After you go over, now you want to go back and you want to do some dry strokes. No matter what anyone tell you, you definitely want to do some dry strokes. Alright? I'll see you in step 6, and that will be the final step. And last but not least, step 6, the deodorization. Okay, let's get this done. And that's it. 6-step process to a real professional carpet cleaning job that'll satisfy your client each and every time.